Parts of South Kashmir, including Kulgam, Pulwama, and Anantnag, observed a complete shutdown on Friday against the latest killings of militants and civilians. Reports from Shupyan said that all shops and business establishments were closed while as traffic was off the road amid very heavy security deployment. Meanwhile, in Kulgam, shops, business establishments, and educational institutions were also closed in most parts of the district. Pulwama town and its peripheries also witnessed complete shutdown over fresh civilian and militant killings. It's pertinent to mention that intense clashes broke out between locals and security forces after Friday prayers. As per local sources, South Kashmir is mostly closed ever since Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Abu Jana was killed in Pulwama. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.